light. I got makeup on my shirt. This has just been a day. I'm not about to change because I'm already sitting here, so. The light's too bright. What's up, everybody? Jazz here, and welcome back to the channel. Today I have a fun video for us. I actually have a TEMU haul. So yes, I gave in and decided to look on TEMU and see what it was actually giving, and I found some interesting things. I tried to scroll through all the different categories and kind of pick at least one item from each category. So like home, beauty, office, clothing. That's what I wanted to do. So let's go ahead and get into this haul. So I haven't actually looked at all of the products just to like see if I liked it or not. I mainly skimmed through it to make sure that I had all of the items. So you guys are going to be getting my first initial reaction to everything as we go along. I don't have a lot because like I said, I just wanted to see how it was first, and if I do like everything that I have, I'm definitely going to be ordering some more things. So let's go ahead and get into this haul. So I pulled out like my home office type of things first. I ordered a mat, kind of like a desktop mat to sit my computer and keyboard on at work. Let me actually put it up on my phone first, so give me a second. So the first thing I have is a medium leather mouse pad. So it's kind of like for my computer or just to sit like my keyboard, everything in or on. And it's a size 60 by 30 and it was actually $4.99. So this is how big it is in person. It's actually kind of big. I don't know if it's actually showing the color. I think it's kind of washing it out, but it's tan. It's actually, I say it's decent quality, and it's a good size for my desk at work. It has like that leatherish or faux leatherish smell to it. It's real faint though, but quality wise, I say it's good. I mean, it's for work, so it's gonna get worn out anyway. So the next item I have is this 6-pack of retractable gel pens. I mainly got them because of the color. Like, I'm a very neutral color type of person, so it was the color that got me. I don't really care if they work good or not. I mean, a pen is a pen in my opinion. It has a little writing on it. It's 0.5 and it's supposed to be a gel pen. This is cute. I don't even know if it's gonna show it. These are cute though. They're very all of them are different. Okay, I might like this. I think the ink is black, but yeah. Oh, is that a highlighter? Does it work? Yes, it does work. Okay, cute. Oops, I need to do a TikTok with this too. By the way, follow me on TikTok. I actually put the link in the description box below. Let me show y'all a close-up of these. These are cute, and I think these were what, $3? A set of 6 for like $3, and that's about how much it would be in Walmart or something like that, if not more. So that's what they look like. Look at them, they're so cute, and they're kind of like that beigey color. That's cute. I have to see what the phone cases are giving, and I'm like in the fall vibes now. And like I said in one of my vlogs recently I uploaded, I think the color is gonna be like that olive green color. So I found me a phone case that was olive green. I don't even know if it's gonna show y'all like the true color. There it is. Isn't it cute? And then it has the little thing to go on the back of it. So when I put it together, it's gonna look like this. So the next thing I ordered were some things like in the beauty aisle. I said beauty aisle. In the beauty category, I ordered some makeup brushes, of course. So this is what they look like. It's a 6-piece, and then I just bought this one because it looked interesting. So the quality is what is going to have me sold on their makeup brushes. So let's just go ahead and see. Oh yes, it's soft. It's very soft. That's cute. Oh, and it's dual ended, so you have a big one and a little one. Now the question is if this is a foundation brush. I don't think it is. It's like, to me, it's a little bit too soft, so I wouldn't say it's a foundation brush. This is definitely giving concealer. I would even use this as a powder. So that's that one. And then this is the 6-piece. This is how they came packaged. Y'all, I don't know what it is, but I've really been on that kick of beige cream. I dropped one. Okay, so let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Dang. It's a 10-piece, not a 7-piece. These feel really good also, quality wise. Now I see a few loose. Smell test. I mean, I'm gonna wash them anyway, but you know, they are very soft. There it goes. This is what they're giving. Isn't it cute? And then they're very soft and cute. So yes, this is cute. I'm gonna wash them and then I'll follow up probably or more than likely on TikTok about like a review. I see a few loose strands, but I mean, I can just go over that with a little scissor. So after I wash them and test them out, we'll know if they're worth it, because I think these were probably like $2, if not no more than $3. So 10 pieces for under $10, really good. Okay, so for the accessory category, I saw some purses that caught my eye. I got 3. 2 are kind of like that same style, but no, same concept, but not the same style. And then another one is for the winter time. So let's do this one first. I'm gonna put these right here. This one was like a white and brown bag. It's it comes with a strap, so like a fanny pack, almost like an upgraded fanny pack. This is really nice. Look at it, white and brown. And then this is the strap on it, so it has a good strap. And then the buckle, can I buckle it? Yep, there it goes. Oh yes, this actually kind of goes with what I wore today. Let's see. The structure is actually really nice. It has 3 compartments. So we have this very back one that actually has like some pockets in there. And then this is the second one. It has pockets also. Well, it has one big pocket. And then the front one, like here, it doesn't have any pockets, but you know, looks like it can hold a good amount. So yes, follow me on Instagram, because this fall I'm really trying to upgrade my content on Instagram. Like, I need more followers so y'all can really inspire me to keep doing pictures, because I'm really not comfortable doing pictures, but I'm trying to make myself comfortable doing pictures. But we'll see. Oh, look it. This is the belt. Look at it. Oh, like I can do the whole around the front type gig, like how they be wearing them. The overhead joint. Ain't trying to get no makeup on because I already got it on my we're gonna talk about the hair situation later. So like if I loosen it up, you know, it can fit right here, you know what I'm saying? I'll let y'all know how this holds up, but right now it's feeling really good. And it was like probably like $8.98, $8.99. So the next one is, it has the same concept of like fitting this way or on your back, and I got it in black. This one was like $8 also. Okay, it's black with gold detailing. Now I can tell with this one the gold is kind of already giving that rustic feel to it. So you know, I already knew that kind of like with TEMU or just places like that in general, they have lower price things, but it's kind of like the product is kind of like a you get what you pay for type of thing. But yeah, other than like the detailing and the zips and things kind of like fading a little bit and rusting, it's still cute. It's real flexible. Gold right here, but like these minor things are silver. But I mean, this is just something to throw on. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 compartments, and then it has like the earphone hole. So if I wanted to like, or even if I had some wired headphones, they could go through there. Okay, cute. Y'all let me know in the comments below right now if y'all have ordered any of the backpacks from TEMU like this, and tell me how y'all's quality was. Now with this last one, I think I did a little reach, and some people might not be a fan of it, but this caught my eye because I've never actually had a bag like this before, and the pricing of it was really nice. So y'all let me know how y'all feel about it. But I got a fur purse, and look at it. Ooh, it's so pretty. Definitely winter. It just has this one button right here, and okay, let me see. Okay, it's like that magnetic button, really good. Okay, and then this is the inside of it, so like a tannish color. This is cute. Okay, I like it. I'm really trying to get stuff so I can make myself take pictures too, y'all. So content, I said, consistent content coming your way. I put this on my mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look too good. And this is the last item I got. It is a cardigan, and I'm actually going to put a video right around here somewhere to show y'all how it really looks. But right now it has some weight on it, so A+ for that already. Like, it's, you know, just the usual tan and black, you know. It's open, so no buttons or anything like that, and it's pretty long. I can't remember if there was sizing for it. Let me look in the tag and see. No, there's no sizing on it, but I'm thinking I chose like an extra large because I wanted it to fit loose. So yeah, that's the last thing I have, y'all. I'm excited. Alright y'all, so that brings us to the end of my very first TEMU haul. I would say that so far so good with the products I received. Like I said, I'm going to test everything out for a little while, and then I'll do a follow-up over on TikTok to let y'all know how I'm liking it or I'm not liking it. So make sure you follow me on TikTok. It'll be right here or in the description box below. And yeah, let me know in the comments if y'all have already ordered from TEMU, and tell me how y'all like the quality of their products. My shipping probably took a full week, and then my products were actually delivered this morning. So yeah, it was pretty fast. I didn't have any issues. Got all of my things in one order. So yeah, let me know in the comments how y'all like TEMU. This is not sponsored, but I mean, you know, once I get up there, TEMU, hit me up. But yeah, make sure y'all give this video a big thumbs up, and make sure you subscribe to the channel because it will really help me out. And I'll catch y'all next time. Peace.